Hi there, everyone. Hope that my experience can be helpful to any of you who are considering purchasing the Phoenix. This is mine, as you can see right here. I've had it for just about a week now. I started having some issues a few years back, reduced sensitivity, reduced performance. Tried various supplements that I'd found online, all of them, of course, with great reviews, but for me, not so much. Limited effect or limited duration of effect. You know, it would start out, I'd get some results and then it would just diminish. I've had the Phoenix now for a week. I've had 2 treatments with it, and already I am seeing improvement that I have not, performance that I have not seen in years. I am so grateful to have found this. And to any of you considering it, don't even hesitate. It is worth the money. The support has been great. They've done a great job to try to take care of their customers, and they are doing it. So hey, if you are considering it at all, don't hesitate. They're worth it. It's worth it. You will be so grateful that you've done this.